Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into something simple but with a twist. Squaring numbers in a list may sound easy, but did you know there are many ways to do it in Python? So we'll explore everything from basic loop to advanced Numpy arrays. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, there's something for everyone. So let's start today's video. So the first one is using a for loop. So firstly we'll create a list of numbers. Then we create an empty list. And here for each number in the list we raise it to the power of 2 using into 2 and store the result. And finally we print it. So let's see its output. So as you can see, the list is squared. So in very simple way, the list is squared. And now we'll see the second method. So the second method is using list comprehension. So similarly, firstly we'll create a list of numbers. And here we loop through numbers directly in square brackets. For each number we calculate number into 2 and stores it, which is fast, readable and beautiful. And at last we print this. So now let's see its output. So you can see in very simple way our list is squared. So the third one is using the map function with a lambda. So for this also firstly we'll create a list of numbers. So here map applies a function to every element of a list. So here we use a lambda, which is anonymous function that squares each number, and this converts the result to a list and print it. So now let's see its output. So again you can see in a single line our list is squared. Now let's move on to the fourth one. So the fourth one is using a function with a map. So firstly we'll create a function square with a single parameter x. And this return x into x, the function returns the square of x, simply multiplying the number by itself. Then here we define a list of numbers. Here we are creating a list so that we can create square of it. And here let's break it down. So firstly map square and numbers. This applies the square function to each element in the numbers list. So the result is map object like a generator. So we convert it into list using list function. And now this last print square, this print is final list of squared numbers. So let's see its output. So here we can see how easily our list is squared. So now let's move to the next one. So the next one is using a while loop. So for this firstly we create a list of numbers and then a empty list. Then we'll initialize I is equals to 0. So this is old school style. We use a while loop with an index. For each element, square it and add to the result list. And finally we print it. So let's see its output. So here we can see using a while loop we have doubled the list and squared it also. So the next one is using Numpy arrays. So for this firstly we'll import Numpy. So here with Numpy we work with arrays instead of list. So you can square an entire array in one line, which is vectorized operation. So Numpy is blazing fast and used in data science, ML and AI. So let's see its output. So as you can see the list is squared. Now this is the seventh one, which is using pandas series. So firstly we'll import pandas as PD. So here pandas.series behaves like a NumPy array. You can use arithmetic operations directly also. Great if you are working with tabular or label data. Don't forget to install pandas. So let's see its output. So as you can see here, the square numbers and data type which is integers. So these were a very basic and simple unique ways to square a list of numbers. So what we learned is use loops or list comprehension for clean native Python code. Use map and lambda when you want functional style. For speed and scalability, go NumPy and pandas. Try mixing them in your projects and see what fits the best. If you learned something new, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more Python videos. Thanks for watching today's video.